So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to automate your Twitter post with Python. So this technique is actually very useful for people that have scheduled posts daily. So people like social media managers that need to come online every day to post on Twitter. So this will be very useful for you. So to eliminate the time and effort for you to do this, especially if you can run this particular script on a cron job. Okay. So what we need to do first is to come to our Twitter account and then click on more here and click on settings and privacy. So why we're actually doing this is because we want to extract our OTP URI from Twitter, because now Twitter actually requires you to enter an OTP before you can log into your account. That's if you are logging in from a different device. Okay. So you have to enter your username and password, and then to finally get access to your account, you have to enter an OTP. And this OTP is usually generated from Google authentication apps. That's actually the one I use, but there are some other authentication like Microsoft. So I'll be teaching you how to extract the OTP automatically and logging into your account automatically, then writing the post and then making the post. So I've already connected my Go authentication app to my Twitter account. So what I want to do is to disconnect it and then connect it again. And in the process, I will extract my OTP URL. So let's get to it and I'll show you how I actually do it. So I'll click on security and account access. Then I'll click on security. Then I'll click on two-factor authentication. So I already have my authentication app connected to my account. So that's why I have this blue check mark here. So if you already have this, so you want to disconnect this first and then reconnect again. So if I enter my password, it will ask me if I want to disconnect my authentication app from my account. Then when I confirm and click on yes, then what you need to do again is now to go back to reconnect it. Then Twitter will show you a QR code, but do not scan this QR code with your Google authentication app or any other authentication app that you're using. So what you need to do is to scan with a third-party software, third-party QR scanner, so that you can see the actual URI. So once you see the QR code, you scan with a different QR scanner, a third-party QR scanner, so that you can extract that particular URI. So that particular URI will look like this. To look like this commented code here. So we'll have this, then you have your username and you have your secret. So we're actually interested in this particular secret because we need it to automatically generate our OTP. So I have already written the entire code so that we don't have to I don't have to bore you with writing the code line by line. So I'll just briefly explain what the code does and then run the script. So I'm importing my packages here, right? Then I'm extracting my variables from my env file. So I have my username saved, my password and my secret saved as these variables in my env file. And this is the sample posts I'll be posting today. This is the post I would like to post for today. So this is my function to generate the OTP using my secret as the argument and to return the current OTP code. Then this is the main script that uses Playwright to log into your account and then make the post. So it goes to the URL, it fills your username and password, it fills the password here, then it clicks on the login button, then the function generates the OTP using the secret, and then fills the OTP form, and then clicks on login. Then this line of code fills in with your post text, and then you click on the tweet button. So let's run this and let's see how it works. So it enters my username, enters my password, enters the OTP, logs into my Twitter account, and then makes the post. All right, so as you can see, the post has been made, the post has been posted automatically. So that's just how to automate your post using Python. So thanks guys. I'll see you in the next video.